Dinja l-poddata numru 672 fis-sensiela ta' Mużika Mod Ieħor flimkien miegħi Toni Sant. Fil-poddata tal-lum se nisimgħu mingħand Miles, Reese, Aiden, The Basket, The Travelers flimkien ma' Ira Losco u Lulu. U biex nibdew l-lum għandna din mingħand Das Birthday Girl.
I'm just an observer here and I've made some great friends. I'd like to take them back home, but that's not in the plan. I felt pain and joy fade, and my eyes are hooded and black, but they shine like the sun. Music's my only guide, and love is like a drug. I felt pain and joy fade, and will I sleep again? Will I recall the years? I'm just an observer here. Pain and more. I'm just an observer here.
Pain and Joy ta' Das Birthday Girl tiftaħ il-poddata tagħna ta' Mużika Mod Ieħor flimkien miegħi Toni Sant tal-lum. Das Birthday Girl hija Martha Teuma. Imma insomma, dettalji bħal dejjem permezz tal-website personali tiegħi fuq ToniSant.com fejn issubu wkoll diversi ħolo u l-videos individwali għal kull waħda mill-siltiet li għandi mħejja għalikom fil-poddata tal-lum. Poddata li issa saret mensili, jew darba fix-xahar kif ngħidu. U allura ħalli ngħaddu għalli miss un bad inkomplu ngħidu anka aktar affarijiet minant Miles at the Party, Mazikeen.
to realize the time you open up your eyes. Spend weeks regretting yesterdays. The devil wears a pretty face. I've sold my soul to I've lost my soul to There comes a time to realize the time you open up your eyes. Spend weeks regretting yesterdays. The devil wears a pretty face. I've sold my soul to a beauty queen. I've lost my soul to a masochine. Lying wide awake, thinking I've been played. I needed some time to stay in this game while I kept all the pain and you ran away. Made new friends while none of mine stayed. So I had to rebuild with nothing but a broken heart. I had to hold on. I know the end is where to start. Nothing's too hard if you believe in a dream. Made songs out of scars, made sleeping with the demon. Take some time to realize, some time to open up your eyes. Spend weeks regretting yesterdays. The devil wears a pretty face. I've sold my soul to I've lost my soul to It takes some time to realize, some time to open up your eyes. Spend weeks regretting yesterdays. The devil wears a pretty face. I've sold my soul to a beauty queen. I've lost my soul to a masochine. I don't really miss tattoos, I don't miss your groove. When a head ain't got no shoes. Now I can't stop dancing and pretending that without you it's still a great ending. Learn how to rock but I can't stop. I'm the lonely kid making name on this rock. Learn how to rock but I can't stop. Might sell my soul, build myself a thrift shop. Sell things like love and ease. Help people who are stuck down on the knees. Get them standing, get them walking, get them running again. Tell them I know what it's like having demons as friends. But my demons made me, may be hard to see that your demons made you, and I swear that it's true. When the sky opens up all you see is blue. Catch your waves, celebrate, keep your head in bloom. It's finally time to realize, it's time I open up my eyes. I'm done regretting yesterdays. The devil wore a pretty face. I've sold my soul to a beauty queen, but beauty and love ain't made for masochine.
Il-Masochine ta' Miles Azzopardi, u tafu li kellna anka diversi silti toħra min għandu sew f'din is-sensiela ta' poddati kif ukoll fil-programmi li nippreżenta fuq Campus 103.7 kull ġimgħa, u għalhekk huwa li l-poddata issa qed toħroġ biss darba fix-xahar nażlilkom għażla ta' videos fil-waqt li fil-programm tar-radju ninkludu minn kollox. Aktar mużika fil-poddata tal-lum din darba minant Reese, din isimha Ħajja Reali.
Come up was real, man. There were never no silver spoons on the table growing up round here. The struggle was true, but I always saw more. Now it's time to get it. Ħajja Reali.
This is too far, bangs.
In the big whip I'm chasing, it's a blender, not a Porsche. Ħajja Reali dejjem all night, darkly and hoss. Gotta support my people from a young age, I'm the boss. Fejn trabbejt in ix-xielek le, mhux suppost. In the big whip I'm chasing, it's a blender, not a Porsche. Ħajja Reali dejjem all night, darkly and hoss. Gotta support my people from a young age, I'm the boss. Fejn trabbejt in ix-xielek le, mhux suppost. Cold nights in the cell, I still deploy. Touch my family, get destroyed. Fuck the gas, I'm used silent and I still make noise. Seen bro go from Plymouth worker to see view office, life's a toy. So much pain in my chest, but feeding my team brings me the joy. I ain't met the house yet, but true say he's gonna meet the boy. Ask around my lamb from 17, I've been the boy. Maserati with no license, 20 with a gold press, yeah, needed my kicks. Lost it all, now they can't ever get my kicks, nah. Can't ever disregard my keepers, cause he saved my life, yeah. I grind 24/7, I'm sleepless, no time for a wife, nah. Put a bounty on this music, you couldn't name a price. But like the labels in the shop, when the deal comes, it's sky. There ain't an indie or a rapper that's coming this fly. That's why when she ignore your call, she's with me cause you're shy. All of these ignorant lines, but best know I'ma use my mind. Tajta nifs għatli riz Madonna jien naħseb li ħaj. U ħasbet li għanda xi gwaj. Problemi biss ikollok jekk taħseb iżejjed. Saħab ir-rima biex naqleb l-imwejjed. Ir-rebel on pejjeb isni on Mali. Kella nġelek pal Paddy the Baddy. She calling me daddy, I'm putting her belly cause she nice, but she ain't my type. I hustle every day all the time to say mum just swipe. These rappers flex those numbers but we both know that's a lie. I'm up all night like Batman, still come like I don't try. Big face busy cause greatness knows I'm next in line. My gang stay next to me, together everybody shine. So many bad mind pagans, they can't get to my line. My manager, that's MI, he's a savage, don't get sliced. Move like Al Pacino, this whole world is mine. I bring around my brothers, nobody left behind. True say I ain't Muslim, but I don't mess with swine. Moods on the map, I'm up next, say different as a lie. Wallahi, higher. In the big whip I'm chasing, it's a blender, not a Porsche. Higher reali dayem all night, darkly and hoss. Gotta support my people from a young age, I'm the boss. Fejtra bejtin ixilek le, mux suppost. In the big whip I'm chasing, it's a blender, not a Porsche. Higher reali dayem all night, darkly and hoss. Gotta support my people from a young age, I'm the boss. Fejtra bejtin ixilek le, mux suppost.
Ħajja reali minnant Trees, miex propjament kanzunetta bil-Malti, imma naħseb l-unika wahda li mhux veru, hija wahda minn tnejn li fija l-Malti illum. Ħalli nerġgħu nduru għal xi ħaġa oħra li mill-ġdid mhijiex bil-Malti. Ifakarkom però illi permezz ta' dik il-website ToniSant.com tistgħu tagħmlu kuntatt miegħi u biex dejjem nismanatkom semmija u segwaċi ta' din is-sensiela ta' poddati mod partikolari meta tixbdu l-attenzjoni lejn xi ħaġa oħra li kun nistanka nikkunsidra biex ninkludi f'dawn il-poddati jew anka fil-programmi ta' Campus 103.7. Din l-aktar waħda riċenti minant Aiden jisimha Strawberry.
You'll be my strawberry berry. I've been licking you up already. And if I squeeze more, I'll get the juice. We get the love all night. You'll be my strawberry berry. I've been licking you up already. And if I squeeze more, I'll get the juice. We get the love all night. You'll be my strawberry. Got straight A's, I passed my test, love. Did you feel that? Got the turbulence, love. I can do it for a minute again. Get you on your feet real fast. Up so good, getting ready for me, love. Did you hear that? Got the bass real groovy. We can put some Marvin songs and play it out. Cause I've been down for way too long. Gotta get out, get a blue sky high. The pressure is high, high, high. You'll be my strawberry berry. I've been licking you up already. And if I squeeze more out the juice, we get the love all night. You'll be my strawberry berry. I've been licking you up already. And if I squeeze more out the juice, we get the love all night. Yes, the shit out girl with the pumpy jam. Hair so slick, man, can you see that? Just like you're in a bar, got hands full of cards, man, play it. Yeah, we play it out hard, so you get up from that bed. Now you can see how I feel so bad. Yeah, get up, understand. It's what I feel, can give me your hand. Cause I've been down for way too long. Gotta get out, get a blue sky high. Pressure is high, high, high. You'll be my strawberry berry. I've been licking you up already. And if I squeeze more out the juice, we get the love all night. You'll be my strawberry berry. I've been licking you up already. And if I squeeze more out the juice, we get the love all night. You'll be my strawberry berry.
Strawberry minant Aiden waqt il-poddata ta' Mużika Mod Ieħor fl-imkien miegħi Toni Sant. Din il-poddata parti li toħroġ permezz ta' ToniSant.com u l-verżjoni audio hemm ukoll il-verżjoni video tagħha li sibuha naturalment permezz ta' ToniSant.com imma propjament toħroġ fuq il-YouTube. Fuq il-YouTube jekk tagħmlu subscribe u tażlu wkoll dik il-qampina tirċievu notifikazzjoni permezz tal-YouTube stess kull darba li toħroġ edizzjoni ġdida ta' Mużika Mod Ieħor fl-imkien miegħi Toni Sant. Il-silta li hija kollaborazzjoni bejn Ira Losko u Travelers issa din isimha l-imħabba kelma kbira wisq.
Waqt li nara skitta l-lejl nafasini biex nħoss id-dik nsikket qalbi biex nisma' l-kwiet Stretch għajnejk il-bar kalma li xtaq zejt Unneħid muħ minn fuq xuftejk L-imħabba kelma kbira wisq Definizzjoni ma sibilix Iżda lija hija jend Xemma jżomni li ta' kull-jum Nibqaw nfħal l-jum Situazzjoni tkun li tkun
L-imħabba kelma kbira wis il-vuċi ta' Ira Losko fl-imkien ma' l-grupp The Travelers mek u qed noqorbu lejn tmiem tal-poddata ta' Mużika Mod Ieħor fl-imkien miegħi Toni Sant tal-lum. Allura tajjeb illi nfakkarkom ukoll fir-rabta li għandna mal-M3P, il-Malta Music Memory Project fuq m3p.com.mt. Għal-kem għallu li jessa anka dan se jinbidel unflok minant il-Multimedia Memory Preservation xaktarx li nibdaw naħdmu anka aktar mill-qrib ma' l-Wikipedia jew il-Wikipedia bil-Malti. Somma, dwarek fil-ġimat u xhur jekk mhux is-snin li ġejjin, min jibqa' ħaj naturalment, din minant Luka Ġus, marruf aħjar bħala Lulu jisimha Jolly. U bil-ġolli tal-Lulu aħna ġejna f'tmiem ta' podda toħra fis-sensiela ta' Mużika Mod Ieħor flimkien miegħi Toni Sant. Fakkarkom bħal dejjem li d-dettalji u l-kuntatt huma permezz ta' ToniSant.com. Se nġunu ta' darba oħra jiena bħal dejjem minn qalbi. Nawguralkom is-saħħa.